Hey guys, William Saunders here, the co-founder of Print My ATM. And today I just wanted to go ahead and go over our monthly performance report for October 2015. All right, so for starters, guys, upcoming changes. Keep in mind, if you haven't noticed already, we do have a new staff and training program that we just issued out, okay? So we've been getting pretty busy with all the upcoming students and everything in that nature. So I need to make sure that we have a much larger team now, okay? So with that being said, that is also the reason why some of the emails been kind of getting delayed. We normally have a response time of right around 24 to 48 hours. It's been roughly around 3 to 5 business days, okay? That's because we're trying to get everyone trained up to date. So give it, take it probably another week or two, then everything will go back to normal. And we really can keep up with our outstanding customer service, all right? Next thing is, guys, make sure you're sending in your portfolios whether you need to increase results or not. We like to document all the trades that our students actually send in. So I know some of you guys are doing outstanding. You probably don't need any feedback, but go ahead and send in your portfolio anyhow so that we can have that for our own records, okay? Now, I just approved a whole bunch of new content and training material that's going to be awesome for our higher tuition levels such as intermediate, advanced, and of course always expert. So you guys that been in 12, 14, 15 months now and you're looking for something additional that you can learn, well, we're just about to have a whole new fleet of products for you to go ahead and dig into, okay? Now, with the group shares dashboard, guys, that's still in development. Keep in mind that the software that we're using is a custom design, and now normal web developers can't do it, okay? So the company that can do it, they're having issues in regards to receiving payments in order to finish the project that they pretty much started. So they're working with something like Payza, but their Payza account is currently on pause, so they can't take any payments or anything like that, and of course it's overseas, so that's exactly what's the hold up and why it's been taking so long. We first had it done and it was in strict HTML coding, and our admin couldn't operate it, and now we pretty much got it pushed in with different developers that can actually process it, and now we're waiting on from their end, okay? So for the month of November, leaning more towards the second and third week of January, guys, I'm pretty much going to take a leave of absence, all right? So this is the way that it's going to work. I will still be hosting webinars during the month of November. By then, I should have another instructor that's actually approved to host the webinars. And that instructor is probably going to do that during the month of December. Okay. Now, if they're not up to date, then basically there will be no webinar sessions for the month of December. We'll probably do something like twice for January or something like that. But I'll definitely make it up for you guys. Now, during this time, I will not be online. Okay. I will not be answering my cell phones. There's probably going to be about 4 different people that will actually still have access to me. That's going to be my personal assistant, my director, and 2 relatives. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, please do not send it to my personal Facebook or anything like that. Use the support ticket features that we actually have, and the support team will pretty much handle any of your needs, all right? So I just want to give you guys a heads up just in case you start inboxing me and I haven't responded or anything like that. I may have my assistant reply back to the inbox as well that I'm pretty much out and away. And the only thing that I will pretty much be doing during this time of absence, guys, is 2 things. I'm going to be trading and doing personal development. That is it. So I want to take some time off away from technology and everything in that nature. I want to do personal development and I just want to trade. That is it. Okay. So this is something that I usually do anyhow throughout the year, but this is the first time I've actually did a public announcement for it. So for the month of November, guys, here's our group webinar schedule. As you guys can see, basics is going to be on the 10th from 9 a.m. to 10 Eastern Time. Novice is the 13th, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Intermediate is going to be the 17th, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Advanced is going to be the 25th from 7:45 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. Now keep in mind, you guys can start registering for each session by logging into your student classroom from the resource center, okay? And if you guys can't figure out how to do it from there, then check your email sequence because you guys should also get instructions coming into your email, all right? So you got on average roughly around 5 to 2 days prior to these dates to actually register. So make sure you guys actually do it. If you guys are registering during the last minute, let's say within the last 24 to 48 hours, and that link is actually expired, see if you can get it through customer support and they would be able to get you guys on in enough time, okay? So SixFigure Club, guys, I would like to congratulate Rebecca L. from Intermediate and Maurice. From Advanced, welcome Marley and Frank T. You guys just need to keep up the results, and I mean, it's just a matter of time before you hit seven figures in all honesty. So we're looking at probably another 9 to 15 months. Okay, so student spotlight, which is pretty much always my favorite because I can kind of touch bases with you guys. So Felice, you're doing a great job. I see that basically you are looking to get right around 5 of your closest friends, I'm guessing, involved with our advanced tuition level, and I think that's pretty awesome. And we'll gladly grant you the discount to do so, okay? So keep up the great work because you're truly helping others. You're going to do so much more with our knowledge, tools, and resources, okay? I would like to welcome April. I definitely see you're picking up and you're learning pretty quickly as well. I would like to also welcome Latoya. So I believe you three ladies are going to be some real strong hitters in the market. So I'm looking out to see what you ladies are capable of. Congratulations to you, Toby. You just hit your lifetime tuition from your monthly finance. So there's no more payments for you. And keep up the great work, Sammy. I know you've been really excited to getting access to our advanced level, and you're pretty much going right through it at a really nice pace, okay? So keep it up, buddy. All right, so with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and move to the second half of this presentation, which is always the numbers. All right, guys, so here come the fun part, but let's keep in mind really quick that your results may vary, okay? It's always going to depend on your tuition level, how much you have in your trading account, how well you're following instructions, whether you're using risk management or not. And the purpose of this section is just to show you guys the potential of trading and using proper education, okay? So the results that you see here are not guaranteed. You guys may not have any results at all, or you guys may have better results that you actually see here, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, so let's go ahead and move forward. So for the month of October, guys, I pretty much didn't trade the first week. I got into week 2. I did 355 pips, 118% gain. For week 3, 250 pips, 100% gain for my account. Week 4 did 100 pips, 40% gain. So for the month of October, I had 705 pips, 258% gain, all from pretty much one asset. Me monitoring the market for only about 2 hours a day. All right, so let's take a look at our intermediate students. All right, so for the intermediate student, guys, you get 3 out of 4 trading portfolios, okay, and we only request 2. All right, so whether you guys are getting good results or you guys need some feedback, send in your portfolios every 2 weeks so that we can continue to document them. So for portfolio 36, our intermediate students as a whole has taken 131 wins, 72 losses, profit of a little over 162,000. Portfolio 37, they've gotten 268 wins, 122 losses, a little over 188,000 for the month of October. Our intermediate students have taken 399 wins, 194 losses, $350,500 of pure profit, okay? Once again, this is our intermediate students as a whole taking long-term trades, more than likely using the 80-20 analysis or the 5-bar breakout. So for our advanced students, you guys actually get 4 portfolios within a 30-day cycle, okay? We only need 3 from you guys just to keep up with everything. And I want to reach out to my advanced Forex traders because right now we're still documenting the binary option portion. You guys that are actually trading Forex, yes, I want you to still send in your portfolio as well. We don't got enough volume right now to actually calculate what's going on for our advanced students. So I want to make sure you guys are sending them in if you guys are actually trading Forex, or if you just prefer to continue with binary, there's no need to go to Forex. It's entirely up to you. All right, so for portfolio 55, we have 129 wins, 42 losses, $190,000. Portfolio 56, 227 wins, 52 losses, $309,000. We have portfolio 57, 344 wins, 78 losses, $466,750. So if we go ahead and add up portfolio 55, portfolio 56, and portfolio 57, we're going to get our grand monthly trades for the month of October, which is 700 wins, 172 losses, a grand total profit of $965,750, okay? So let's go ahead and add up our intermediate trades, wins, losses, and profit. Do the same thing for our advanced trades, wins, losses, and profits. And we get for the month of October, 1,099 wins, 366 losses, $1,316,250, okay? which is not too bad for the month of October closing in for the year, but in all honesty, I believe you guys need to really send in more of those portfolios so we can document them. So let's go ahead and take a look at our signals trades for the month of October. All right, so for the month of October, guys, we've gotten 713 pips and a money for the month of October. Okay, so keep in mind these trades is pretty much the daily trades that you guys are seeing that are issued out on our Facebook fan page, except for there's a lot more. We got right around 30 or 50 that we're giving out to the advanced students. Okay, keep in mind you need to trade every single time in order to get similar results to this. The best other thing that you can do is to actually adjust it to where you're actually taking a profit early, but you guys should still be hitting right around 500 to 2,000 pips per month using our advanced trading signals and using our own education that you guys should be aware of, okay? So for the most part, you guys are doing a great job. Just keep it up. Like I stated before, I just want to make sure you guys are sending in more of those portfolios because you guys, it's included in your tuition. And it's one of the best things to get you the fastest results that you're looking for. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to contact the support team by filling out the contact form on our homepage. Or you guys can just email support@printmyuniversity.com. And last but not least, guys, our merchant account would be back in probably in the next 1 to 2 weeks, okay? So we've been searching for one that can actually handle the volume, and the banking process takes 1 to 2 weeks anyhow to get everything situated. So for you guys that actually have colleagues that's looking to learn and get trading education, you can just contact support directly, and we can have the invoice sent out to them. Now, if we don't have the primary one back up, then we're going to move forward with the secondary merchant, and that means that we'll no longer be taking any monthly tuitions for quite some time now. So it's just going to be the lifetime packages that we're dealing with. Okay, and then when we get more information on our financing, then we can get that involved for you guys to take care of as well. All right, so I wish everyone much success, and of course, happy trading, guys. Hey traders, William here, and I got 3 important questions for you. Number 1, do you have a profitable trading coach or mentor? Number 2, are you getting 50 to 500 pips per day? And number 3, are you satisfied with your trading results? If you can answer 2 out of 3 of the questions with a yes, then congratulations, my friend. But if not, then we're about to change the game for you. And it doesn't matter if you guys are trading binary options, forex, or futures, because we can do it all and we have it all. Top of the line trading signals, monthly group shares, and complete market domination. Check out our free video course series and our daily trade analysis to see for yourselves.